Hi everyone, it's me. Number 10. Göbekli Tepe, the temple that shouldn't exist. The world is full of amazing ancient structures that have survived for thousands of years. From the Egyptian pyramids to the Roman Colosseum, these structures are testaments to the ingenuity and creativity of our ancestors. However, there is one structure in particular that stands out among the rest: Göbekli Tepe. Located in southeastern Turkey, Göbekli Tepe is an archaeological site that has been shrouded in mystery since its discovery in 1963. The site consists of several circular enclosures, surrounded by massive T-shaped pillars. But what makes this site so fascinating is that it predates the Egyptian pyramids by more than 2,000 years. According to the official archaeological evidence, Göbekli Tepe was built around 9500 BC, which means it was constructed during the late Pleistocene era or the very beginning of the Holocene. This makes it one of the oldest known human settlements in the world. At the time when Göbekli Tepe was inhabited, humans were still hunter-gatherers. The idea of settling down in one place and building a permanent structure was unheard of, and yet someone did. Why? Who built this place, and why have they done it? We don't know. But we do know that it was unbuilt by nomadic people, because the amount of labor required to transport and erect the massive pillars would have been enormous. This suggests that the people who built Göbekli Tepe were part of a settled community with a sophisticated understanding of agriculture and engineering. What's even more remarkable is that Göbekli Tepe was occupied for centuries. In fact, archaeologists have found evidence of at least 20 different occupation layers, each separated by a period of abandonment and then renewed occupation. This suggests that the people who lived at Göbekli Tepe had a deep connection to the site, perhaps because of its religious significance, or because it was a vital part of their economy. However, as impressive as Göbekli Tepe is, mainstream archaeologists seem reluctant to accept its significance. According to them, the site was probably just a small village, and not much is known about it because excavations have been limited to only a few weeks each year. As a result, we still have more questions than answers about Göbekli Tepe. How did the builders transport the massive pillars? What happened to the people who lived there? And what purpose did the site serve? These are just a few of the many mysteries that surround Göbekli Tepe. But if we can uncover the secrets of this enigmatic site, it could revolutionize our understanding of human history. The discovery of Göbekli Tepe has already forced archaeologists to reevaluate the timeline of human development. Prior to its discovery, it was believed that settled agriculture and the construction of permanent structures did not begin until around 7000 BC in the Fertile Crescent region of the Middle East. However, Göbekli Tepe, with its sophisticated architecture and advanced age, challenges this long-held belief. It suggests that the development of settled societies may have occurred earlier and in a different location than previously thought. Moreover, the sheer scale and complexity of Göbekli Tepe raise questions about the capabilities of early humans. How were the massive T-shaped pillars carved and transported? What tools and techniques did they use? And how did they manage to sustain themselves while working on such a large-scale project? These are important questions that can help us better understand the cognitive abilities and social organization of our ancestors. Finally, the discovery of Göbekli Tepe highlights the importance of interdisciplinary research. By combining the expertise of archaeologists, anthropologists, geneticists, and other scholars, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of this enigmatic site and its significance. For example, by studying the plant remains found at Göbekli Tepe, archaeologists can learn about the types of crops that were grown in the region at the time. Meanwhile, geneticists can analyze ancient DNA to shed light on the origins and migrations of the people who lived there. In conclusion, Göbekli Tepe is a truly remarkable archaeological site that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of human history. From its advanced age to its sophisticated architecture, this enigmatic temple challenges conventional theories about the development of settled societies. As we continue to explore this fascinating site, we can expect to make new and exciting discoveries that will shed light on the capabilities of our ancestors and the origins of civilization. Thanks for watching. See you next time.